totally normal. It's just a regular day, so we're just chilling at this place in public, giving free makeovers. You know.
Who's next?
That's my gorgeous model. Say hi.
She's beautiful.
Hi.
She's fantastic. So yes. So second photo shoot location of the day in Milano, and we have the beautiful, the gorgeous,
got a beautiful flag out here.
the stunning. See, while everybody's dark, it's all sunshine. All sunshine. Everyone that sees it smiles. Like her hair.
She's so funny.
Like her hair. Yes, yes. Mwah. Free kisses for everyone because they like it.
So much. You can also try taking from the other side between the leaves.
Yeah, I will.
Just give it about. Well, you're about to get it.